Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, today I'm going to discuss about one of the very serious issue which is going on. So I'm not sure if you all are aware about this Microsoft global issues or not, but this is very serious issue as crores of laptop computers are suddenly shut down all over the world. Flights are being cancelled and people are less able to log in. Altogether, laptop servers are shut down in many countries. Stock markets are shut down suddenly. Corporate servers and users' computers are getting crashed. All computers in hospitals are shut down. Many organizations and companies' business are impacted. Educational systems are stopped, and so many services are completely shut down. So this is really very serious and big global outage. Okay, so I have summarized here why this outage is going on and what is the root cause and how we can fix it, right? So I'll show you here as I have summarized why this outage is going on. Okay, so as I already stated, millions of Windows users impacted, right? So this is for only Windows, not for the Mac or Linux. Okay, so Windows, if you are a Windows user or if you are using Windows, any version of operating systems, okay, or Windows servers, right? So all those Windows client and Windows servers are getting crashed due to BSOD, that is blue screen of death, right? So we'll discuss about this what is this blue screen of death, right? This outage has impacted airports, banking services, corporate sectors, as I already stated, right? So most of the services are impacted due to this global outage, right? Let us discuss about this. What is BSOD? How this outage impacted to the all of the countries, right? So this is the error, blue screen of death, right? What it will do, the blue screen of death is a critical error screen displayed by Microsoft Windows, right? So if you are using Windows, right, so you can see the blue screen of death screen or error, right? And when you will see, it indicates like blue screen of death is indicates a system crash in which the operating system reaches a critical condition where it can no longer operate safely, right? So if you are using a Windows operating system, Windows client or Windows server operating system, right, and if anything is wrong with the operating system, okay, and if operating system reaches a critical condition, right, where it can no longer operate safely, in that case you can get the blue screen of death, right? What will be the other possibilities I have described here? Okay, so to be honest, it is very hard to tell the specific reason that brings blue screen error of death, but usually your PC ran into a problem. Windows is caused by a hardware issue or hardware driver issue, or when Windows encounters a stop error. Okay, so if you are using Windows machine, Windows server machine, right, so there could be the possibilities due to hardware issue or due to any driver or any Windows file corruption issue, you can get the blue screen of death error, right? Here are few regions, or you can say cause. Due to that, you can get the blue screen of death, right? So maybe if your system file will be corrupted, then you can also get the blue screen of death error. If your system is overheating, then maybe you will get the BSOD, blue screen of death error. If registry file gets deleted or any system32 or any file which is under system32 is deleted, then maybe you will get the Windows blue screen of death error. Or in some cases, if RAM utilization will be very high, then you can get this. Or if there will be any virus attack or forceful shutdown. So this is the blue screen, or you can say BSOD screen, right? If you are getting this screen, that means you are in trouble, okay, and your PC is going to crash, or it is already crashed, right? So these are the possibilities. Due to that, maybe your system will um, will be crashed, or you will get the BSOD screen. But as for now, this is a global issue, right? So this is a different issue. This is not the your Windows file system corruption, your driver, or any RAM utilization, or a hardware issue, right? So I don't know if you guys are aware about the CrowdStrike, right? Actually, CrowdStrike is a US based company, and CrowdStrike Falcon sensor is its product, which is used on broad level as an antivirus to protect computers, servers from threat and cyber attacks. Okay, so basically this is a CrowdStrike Falcon sensor is a antivirus which will protect our system from the threat, virus, or you can say cyber attack. Okay. As per Microsoft, the root cause of computer crash is recent update of CrowdStrike, right? And same is acknowledged by CrowdStrike too, right? So as this is a global outage and all computers and servers are getting crashed or giving the blue screen of death, BSOD screen, okay? So this is the reason, like I mean, due to that, computers are getting crashed. Maybe as CrowdStrike already acknowledged on this issue, and Microsoft shared the root cause. Okay. So CrowdStrike pushed or updated or launched the update for the CrowdStrike, and that is creating the problem, and due to that our servers are getting crashed due to BSOD blue screen of death. Okay, so just I want to clear here, only those computers and servers are getting crashed on which CrowdStrike is deployed, right? So if you are not using CrowdStrike, so for now you are good, you are safe, right? So that is what I was saying. Only the computers where CrowdStrike is deployed, those computers or servers are getting crashed because CrowdStrike pushed the patch, pushed the update for the CrowdStrike, and that update is created issues, and systems are getting crashed and getting restarted or getting shut down by giving the blue screen of death screen. Okay, so now how we can fix this? What is the possibilities how we can fix this, or how we can how we can troubleshoot this? Okay, so as per Microsoft and CrowdStrike, we need to reboot our system in safe mode. Okay, we need to boot our system or Windows server in safe mode. Okay, I think you guys will aware how you can go in safe mode by pressing F8 key, or it is based on the laptop brand or computer or server brand. Maybe for other brands, okay, different brands, maybe you need to use different key to go to the safe mode. Okay, so anyhow you have to go to safe mode, okay, and then you have to go to C drive, Windows System 32 drivers, and then there will be a CrowdStrike folder. Okay, once you will open the CrowdStrike folder, you will see such files there like c-5x0291*sys, right? So matching such type of files you need to delete from the CrowdStrike folder. Okay, once you will delete it, then you have to reboot computer or server normally. Okay, and after reboot, if you will see the welcome screen, then you are good and the issue has been fixed for you, right? So guys, as this is a global issue and most of the computers, Windows computers or servers are impacted and those are crashed. So for now there is no any automated system, or I can say there is no any script how we can manage if you are working in an organization or company, and if you have a lot of servers. Okay, so there is no any other way to fix this. You have remotely you have to do this manually for all your system and computers. Okay, you have to visit, or you have to go one by one to all of the servers, computers, and you have to perform these steps to fix the issue. Okay, so guys, yes, this is really a big outage. Okay, as multiple services are impacted. So yes, I hope this information will be helpful for you guys. So I'll request you to, for getting such information from my side, please subscribe my channel IT Parivar. And if this steps, if you following these steps and this is really help you, and by following this step, if your issue has been fixed, don't forget to share with your friends. And like, if you have any issues, please comment. Thank you. Bye bye.